In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files and folders to Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. Need to back up important files or entire project folders to Google Drive, but not sure how to upload everything efficiently? Here's how to do it. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then log into your Google Drive account. Once you're inside Google Drive, navigate to the folder or location where you want to store your files. Next, click the new button in the upper left corner of the screen. If you want to upload individual files, click File Upload from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer, select the files you want to upload, then click Open. If you need to upload an entire folder, click Folder Upload instead. Select the folder from your computer, then click Upload. A confirmation window may appear asking you to verify the upload. Click Upload again to continue. Now watch the Upload Status panel in the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait until the progress indicators finish and a green check mark appears, confirming that the upload is complete. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to upload files and folders more quickly. To upload a file, press Alt+C. Release the keys, then press U. To upload a folder, press Alt+C, release the keys, then press I. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.